Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So this is day number 9, guys, in my quarantine hotel. I can't wait to be out of here. I want to get back to my place, get back to my gears, my accesses, everything, so I would be able to even give you more videos. So in today's video, I would like to go with you through yesterday's price action on AMC, see everything that we had. We had some very interesting information. I will discuss it with you guys, and of course, I will give you all my different scenarios. So let's get into it. So, as you know, I'm following even more closely AMC's price action since I quit my job. So I usually was starting on a 4 hours time frame. Now I'm usually starting on a 15 minutes time frame. So I'm zooming in everything, checking with you all the information that this price action is telling us here. So as usual, I'm going to start reminding you what I was saying in my previous video. So basically, I was telling you guys we have 3 scenarios. So the first one being we get rejected around 44, go back right away to the 38-40 area, then bounce back. The second one was we go to the 50 area, then correct and bounce back. So actually what happened is a bit between. So I posted this level on my Discord, guys, just before it happened. So I will keep on updating you guys with intraday price action, at least around the open, because as you know, I am in Hong Kong, so I can't stay here all the trading session. I need to sleep sometimes. And here I gave you guys the 46.5 level. And to be honest, I was saying in my analysis that if we go there, we would probably break it. And we didn't break it. So we're going to analyze here everything that happened. I was telling you as well that we are looking for small bearish divergences to know, guys, when this price action might revert. And here you can see that on the 15 minutes time frame, we get one. But I was saying on my Discord, check the hourly. I think the hourly is more trustful. On the hourly time frame, as you can see, guys, we don't have this divergence. We have kind of a flat between here and here, between the two lows. So it's close to an exaggerated divergence. No, it's not even an exaggerated divergence because it's the MACD making a flat. So here, no information. So this is what I was telling you. So as you can see, 46.5 acted perfectly, guys, as resistance. So once again, I found this level because it's a consolidation area in the last move down. So what are the different possibilities from here? So as you can see, it seems to me that this... So I'm going to come back to this very soon. It seems to me that this first impulse is complete. So the first thing is that we want to see 5 waves, because if we only have 3 waves, it looks like a correction. When you have 5 waves, it looks like a motive waves. But keep in mind that we could, of course, have something like this as well. It could still be a big ABC and then we correct. So I'm going to come to this scenario very soon. For now, I want to go through what happened here during the day. I'm a bit surprised that we got rejected at 46.5, to be honest, all right? I'm going to explain here why. I told you guys this in my Discord. A lot of you just told me, we don't understand what you're talking about. So I'm going to explain here in more detail. So basically, once you have wave 1 identified clearly, then you have the second wave being itself a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or, you know, you can always do the 3 like this, you know, here. I can see that the third wave is going here because here I have a deeper correction. So let's keep the counting like this. And then you are wondering how far the 5th wave is going to go. This is a setup that we often have in trading. We know it's bullish, but yesterday everybody knew it was bullish. During the open session, everybody was like, yeah, FOMOing and just trying to buy AMC shares because everyone was feeling the bullish momentum that we were having. Then it faded, of course, but we had some very strong moves around the open. And how far this 5th wave can go? So to answer this question, you measure everything between wave 1 and wave 3, and you apply it to the bottom of the force. Then you go to the ELLIOTT wave Bible. So you guys know how to find it. You go in this place. So here you have different situation, wave 3, wave 5, and wave 1 extension. But to be honest, I don't use that so much. I prefer to use this, which is a more general rule, as a generalization that subsumes some of the observations we have already made, unless wave 1 is extended, blah, blah, blah. And here you're having the only 2 cases that sum up the whole situation for an impulse. So either we have a 5th wave that is 38.2 and the rest is 61.8, or we have a 5th wave that is 61.8 and the rest is 38.2. So to know what is the ratio of the fifth wave compared to 1 plus 3 that we're doing here, guys, it's very basic mathematical formula. In the first, here, you just divide by 1 plus 3, which length is 61.8. And you divide what? The length of the fifth wave, okay? So 38.2 divided by and it gives you 61.8%. And in the second case, as you can see, it's 61.8 divided by 38.2 and give 1.618. So that's why those are the fib extension ratios that I'm targeting for my fifth waves compared to the bottom of the fourth wave. So this is exactly, sorry, this is my Discord, by the way. This is exactly what I'm applying here. I measure from 0 to 3 and I apply to the bottom of the fourth. And you can see that the 61.8% is 49.5 and the 1.618 is much higher at 63. So as we're coming from the lows and we have an extended third, I was more thinking about the 61.8. So my target was here. Okay, we failed to go there. It happens. We went to the 38.2% retracement, which is not a usual case, but it can happen. All right. So I would have preferred to see the fifth wave going higher, but it's fine like this. We have here a small bearish divergence, and then we come back to my different scenarios. We correct. So what can we expect from here? Good question. So as you guys know, this is complete. So right now we're expecting an ABC. Okay. So either we have something like this, and then we go higher. So in this case, I measure actually the first wave that is complete. And we know, guys, that second waves, if they are zigzags, they like to correct to the 61.8% retracement level. So if we go to 61.8, we would go to 37 even, all right? So it's not my preferred case because I think 38 would hold here, but we might see some excesses below 38. It would still be fine for me. So all the 37, 40 area is the area where I would be a buyer of AMC for today's session and Friday's session. If we have a flat, we could have something like this. So we could still go to the 40. The 40 area would probably be revisited one more time before we move higher. This would be a second wave. What else is possible? It's still possible that we have a fourth that is like this, okay? And that the fifth goes higher. This is on the table. Then the fib extensions would be okay, this would make more sense. This would be a typical first wave impulse. So this is very possible as well. I give the scenario a high probability. I will give all the details of the probabilities that are associated to all of my scenarios in my Discord, guys. So go there and you will see each probability that at my personal levels, you know, I just try to give you my best estimates of the likeliness of each scenario. So here, this is my preferred scenario. This would make more sense for me. And then we correct. If this happens, then we would correct somewhere here and then move probably higher. We could also be, as you guys just saw, this is complete and we're having a second wave that is going here or here. So basically what I'm expecting, either a last wave up and then a correction, or a slightly deeper correction and then a move up. And what we need to discuss, guys, that is very important is that, as you can see here, I'm showing you the bullish case, that we go to 135, you know, 100, 135, you know, my targets. But we have one more strong resistance that we need to trade above. I think we're going to get rejected in the first place. So the third wave would probably be something like this. You know, we would have here some kind of rejection. It would not be like this actually, but we would here, I think, find some rejection, some consolidation. So we can expect, even if we go here today, to have something like this. And then we break, we retest, and we go higher, as we always do, guys. So here, I would say we need to be a bit careful in the 50 area. This is definitely not a good level to buy, of course. The good level to buy would be just after this first wave is definitely complete, which is now not 100% sure. Then we correct and then we move higher. And here, question, guys. So here we're gonna see, I'm gonna stay with you guys in my Discord when AMC would be close to these levels. I'm gonna analyze with you what we are seeing, where we're gonna look as usual for breakouts, divergences, fib extensions, ratios, stuff like this that is gonna lead us on the right path. So that's it for AMC. Let me quickly do GameStop here because I know that some of you guys want to see GameStop as well. So not much to say, to be honest. I'm going to stay on the hourly time frame. I told you guys that here we broke 180. That was the major support. We did some kind of a fake out here. and then we broke it and we are retesting it right now. So I don't think the first wave is complete. I think we're going to go to 205, 210, this trend line, then correct, and then move higher. If you want more information, go in my Discord. I'm posting daily recaps. Everything is still for free, at least for 1 week. So you're going to have all the information that you guys need. You can ask me questions about anything. I'm making some analysis about different stocks. So just come here to ask me any questions. So guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button. So you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.